Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back in action. This is Abdi Muhammad Noor, who will be taking for you mathematics of high school. That is statistics 1, which is the concept of mathematics in form 2. This is very, very much examinable, as you know, and as you are aware of it. God willing, I will be trying to give you the best of this, inshallah. And statistics is very much examined in KCSE, and of course, it will carry 10 marks, okay? It can, however, carry 3 marks or 4 marks, but statistics is known to carry 10 marks during national exam. Okay. The one of Form 2 is very easy and straightforward. Even the one of Form 4 is there in our YouTube channel. It's also very easy by there. But what matters is, are you guys grabbing this information in the right manner? Okay. Let's now see, without wasting time, examples from this concept of mathematics called statistics. In a statistics question, you can be asked 3 questions at most, okay? When the question is carrying 10 marks, okay? We'll see how they normally frame during national exam for your information, guys. You can be asked to get the model class, okay? You can also be asked to get the median or the what you normally call the mean, okay? Then we will see questions of that type, okay? Now let's go. Let's go and see the first example for your information, guys. And it is example 1 without wasting time. So this is our example 1. You're told the frequency distribution, the frequency distribution table below represents the number of kilograms. Represents the number of kilograms. The number of kilograms, okay, of meat sold in a butchery. Sold in a butchery. So this is our table. We have here mass in bracket kg. Okay, this is our table, guys. This is our table for information, guys. This is our table. We have mass there. Then here we have under this, we'll be having what? Frequency. Frequency, okay? Just understand this here, frequency. Okay, then underline also this one. Then we have this thing, 1 to 5. Then we have 6 to 10. Then we have 11 to 15. Then we have 16 to 20. Then we have 21 to 25. Sorry, 21 to 25. 21 to 25, okay? Then we have 26 to 30. Then last we have 31 to 35. Please make sure you write as I also write here. Just understand, try to write this thing. Have your book and a pen. Then under that we have the frequency, which is 236, 236, 8, 3, 2, 1. So these are the questions. We have question A. We are told state the model class. State the model class. This carries 1 mark. Okay, in cases here 1 mark. Then question B, let's say this is 1 mark, yeah? Then question B, calculate the mean mass. Calculate the mean mass. This is carrying 5 marks. Then the last but not the least here, we have question C, as we are told calculate the median class. the median class, okay? Calculate the median class. So this current 4 marks. This current out 4 marks. Now in such situation, okay? In such situation where you have such kind of question, guys, this is how you're gonna do it. Let me fill for us this one. Let me fill for us this one. What we're gonna do is in KCSE, guys, the question will be framed like this. The table will be given in a horizontal manner, just answer that. Then you're going to place this table in a vertical manner in KCSE, guys. Very easy. This table is given in a horizontal manner, as you can see. This is what you have mass, and this is what you normally call group data. We call it what? Group data. Why? Because we have 1 to 5, 6 to 10. Then when you have such kind of data, we call it group data for your information, guys. This is very straightforward, by the way. I don't know why people are saying statistics hard. Statistics is very easy, my friends. And we say that statistics does not lie. So you cannot give us the wrong answer here, my friends, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to place this table vertically, okay? Now it's horizontally placed for your information. Then for your information, when this is asked, when the last question is asked, calculate the median, then we are expected to come up with 4 columns, yeah? Sorry, 5 columns, okay? 5 columns. 2 are this, then the third one is the median, the fourth one is fx, and the fifth one is what? Cumulative frequency column, okay? So we need to come up with 5 columns for your information. Then what I'm gonna do is, I will place my table here vertically so that I carry out the right calculation, yeah? So I'll say, coming to the solution, look here. I'll say like this, I have the mass in kg, then I have also the frequency, okay? Let me write here, frequency. I have this one, which is abbreviated as F. Then I have my midpoint. Midpoint, we call it X, okay? Then we will have Fx here. We will have Fx for information. You will have Fx. I see that this space is not enough. So let me create for us. Okay, that will be enough for the calculation. Then here I will have CF. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns for your information, guys. Very easy. When you come up with this, then it will help you getting the right answers. So let me say, this is enough, guys. So let me say like this. I don't know why people are saying statistics hard. Very, very easy. Okay? It's a matter of multiplication and division, imagine. So what we will do is, these are the mass, yeah? We have 1 to 5, then underline. Then we have 6 to 10, 6 to 10, then you also underline. Then we have 11 to 15, 11 to 15, then you also underline this one. Then you have 16 to 20, 16 to 20, then you also underline this one. Then we have 21 to 25, 21 to 25, just come on, guys. Then we have 26 to 30, then you also underline this one. Then after that we have 31 to 35, 31 to 35. Okay, this part will help me. Believe you me, this part will help you, okay? Then my frequency was 2368, 2368, okay, 321, 321. What's that here, friends? Bear witness, brothers, here. Very easy. What's that? So this is the first 2 given. Imagine. Then what you're gonna do is a midpoint. So what are we talking about when I say midpoint? Is the summation of what? The summation of the lower class plus the upper, the summation of the lower class and the upper class divided by 2. So you add these 2, then divided by 2. So if you say now 1 plus 5, I think that is 6 divided by 2 is 3. This even does not require a calculator. So 6 plus 10, 16 divided by 2, 8. Come here, guys. 11 plus 11 plus 15, 26 divided by 2, 13. 13. Then add these two. That's 6 divided by 2, 18. 18. Then add these two, 46. 46 divided by 2, 23. 2, 3, yeah, 2, 3. 2, 3, sorry. 23. Then here we will have, here we'll have add this 256 divided by 2, 28. Then add this 266 divided by 2, that's 3. What you can do is, let's know the glass interval or the glass width, okay? The glass interval here is the difference between these two. But sometimes it's very risky. So you cannot tell us that the glass width or the glass interval in this situation is 5 minus 1. Absolutely, that's wrong. Okay? You can't say that. Because once we are saying 1 to 5, that means we are starting with 1. So our glass interval or glass range should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 5. So 1 is inclusive and the 5 is also inclusive. Don't forget that. So from there you can understand the moment you get this one. Then you can say plus 5, 8, plus 5, 13, plus 5, 18, plus 5, 23, plus 5, plus 5, 28, plus 5. That's very easy. Okay? Then after that, we need to get fx. What's have here? Fx is the multiplication of these two. Okay? This times this one, 6. This times this, 24. Fx. Yes, understand? Fx. Then this times this is 78. This times this what? 144. Okay? 64, 4 carry 6. Yeah, 144. This times this is 69. This is 56. Then this is 33. Very easy. Very easy. Why you say that mathematics hard? Mathematics is not hard, friends. If this is why you say that mathematics is hard. Mathematics is not hard. Okay? And it will never be hard. So if I want to get now the cumulative frequency, okay? Cumulative frequency. Now I'll say like this. I'll take this frequency 2 here. So the moment you write this 2 here, 2 plus 3, 5. Just answer. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. We are done. Look at that. How mathematics is fair, friends. We are saying take this one here, then add 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus this one, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. You are done. So you need to carry out the calculation now. Okay? I have your calculator. We need to carry out what? The calculation here. So we want to get the sum of f here. Sum of f is 25. It's equivalent to this one. 25. Add these here. Add these values here. Just answer. Then we also need to get the sum of fx here. Sum of fx. We are going to say add these two. 30. 108. 108 plus 144 plus 69 plus 56 plus 33. That is 410. Okay? This is 410. So we need these two, yeah? Just understand. Because when we are calculating the mean, we are going to say mean is equal to sum of fx divided by sum of f. Yes, understand that, okay? Sum of fx divided by sum of f. Sum of what? Sum of f. So in this situation now, let me get calculate the model class. Very straightforward. That's why it's carrying 1 mark. Okay? It's carrying what? A mark, 1 mark. So that's why they are giving us 1 mark because it's very easy for information. The model class is the class with the highest frequency. Okay? Model class is the class with the highest frequency. Come here. Or come here. Go to the frequency. This is the highest frequency is this one. So this is the model class. You're going to say a model class is the class with the highest frequency. Is the class with the highest frequency, okay? Which is what? 16 to 20, confirm. The glass with the highest frequency is that one, for your information. Okay? That is the glass with the highest frequency for your information, guys. Okay? What you're gonna do is actually, in statistics, it's very easy. So you cannot get the wrong answer. We say statistics does not lie. Then we will go to the next question, which is calculate the mean mass. Know that mean, which I abbreviated as x bar, okay, is equal to sum of fx divided by sum of f. So our mean in this situation, it will be the division of these two. That is 410 divided by 25. Use the calculator. Okay? Use the calculator divided by 25. So this is 16.4 kgs. Okay, that's how you're going to get the mean. Just answer, yeah? 16.4 kgs. Okay? Then now the question here is, how are we going to get the median? That is the question, guys. So median, which is now question C. Median is gotten as the lowest class limit plus LCR, the lowest class limit, LC, let me write here, is equal to LC plus, open the bracket, total frequency divided by 2 minus, okay, cumulative frequency above divided by frequency of that column times the glass width or I. So you can say glass width, or the place of W you can write I. So in this situation now, students normally make this thing very hard. It's not hard. Median is the easiest part, in fact. So what you're going to do is, this is the procedure. Get your total frequency. Where is it? It's here. Or it's here. Then divide by 2. That is 12.5. Now, let me get the total frequency divided by 2. 25 divided by 2 is how much? It's 12.5. So I will take that value 12.5 to the cumulative frequency column. Then check where it's going to fall in. Just understand. So 12.5 will fall in here. Just understand. Because it's above 11. So 12.5 is found here. So what you do, darken this row. This will help you. The whole row, you darken it. You darken this row. See now mathematics is here. Darken this row. Okay? You darken it so that you make it black. Because you need to cut out your calculation here. So what you're going to do is, this is where it's going to fall in, is it? Yes. 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. Follow this row and come to the lowest class limit. Okay, this is called the lowest class limit and this is the upper class limit. Okay, we subtract 0.5. So our LC will be 15.5 plus, open the bracket, total frequency, which is this one, divided by 2 is what? 12.5. Minus cumulative frequency above this row. This is the one. Above the row. Cumulative frequency above the row, which is this one. Okay? Because this is the row we have taken. Below the row is this one. And above the row is that. So we are saying minus cumulative frequency above the row. Just understand that. So it is minus 11 divided by, come back, frequency of that row, which is now 8. Times the glass width. We know that the glass width is what? 5. So times 5. Okay? Times what? Times 5. So we're going to say 15.5 plus, subtract these two, 12.5 minus 11, it's 1.5, yeah? 1.5 divided by 8 times 5. So this will give me 15.5, if you have your calculator, confirm, 15.5 plus 1.5 times 5 divided by 8, it will give me 0.9375 plus 15.5. Then this will give us 16.4375 as the final answer. Just understand, guys, yeah? This will give us 16.4375 for your information. Make sure guys you subscribe this YouTube channel. Until next time, and share with your family members and friends. I wish you the best until next time guys. Okay.